This is the latest clock that I'm working on. Still needs a lot of work, but I redid the movement and I'm working on the music. It's got this little man there that goes out when the music plays, and this is the fan governor, and that wheel turns that fan, which regulates the speed of the music box, which goes right there eventually. So over here is a strike side, which is not all together yet, but by moving that black lever triggers the strike, and then by way of that wire going across pulls to the left, activating or arming the music. So let's give it a go. There goes the guy. He's pushing out. He's not exactly coming out all the way as he should. I gotta make the wire just a little bit longer connecting to his door. Eventually it's gonna stop. Okay, the door closed and it stopped. So I just got to make that wire that connects the little guy to the door a little bit longer, and then he'll come out more. Thanks for watching.